Welcome to 102 Condamine Drive at Fernvale. This massive home has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 4 car accommodation, all under the one roof. Plenty of family living spaces as well. Just taking you through to the undercover patio right now. Okay, straight into the dining and family room. Kitchen. Take you back to the kitchen in a second. This room is massive. Media room, heaps of space here. And look what you're looking at from the outside to the outside. Such peace. Alrighty, so show you one of my favourite things about this house is the actual walk-through pantry. So hide your fridge away in the pantry here. So it's a walk-through pantry. So that door there takes you to the 4-car accommodation. Okay. We have the study to the left of me. This is the main bedroom. Walk-in robe, walk in to the ensuite. Okay. Just take you back through down here to the other 3 bedrooms. So we have a bedroom just here. We have the laundry, toilet there, main bathroom, that is huge, and 2 more bedrooms down the back there. So this property is 102 Condamine Drive, Fernvale. Give me a call to inspect. Would love to get you through. Thank you.